Hello friends, welcome back to Giggling Minds Flavors. Here is the another episode of Diwali special. Let's make bundi laddu today. Here are the ingredients. Gram powder 1 cup. Ghee 2 tablespoons. Cashew nuts 10 half slit. Sugar cubes 1 tablespoon. Sugar 1 cup. Dry grapes 10. Cloves 2. Green camphor a pinch. It's called as pachakarpuram in South India. Now let's start the preparation. Empty the gram powder into a bowl. Add turmeric powder and mix well. Add water to it. Blend well till it turns into a semi-fluid like consistency. It should be in such a way that it should easily fall as a little drops from the slotted spoon when poured. Now let's keep the sugar syrup ready. For this, put sugar in a pan and add some water, not more than half a cup, so that the sugar just submerges in water. Heat the pan, simmer the stove and keep stirring until you get one string consistency. When you hold the syrup between index finger and thumb, you can see single small thread formed. This means it has attained one string consistency. Now heat the oil in a pan. Taking the mixture in a glass will come handy while pouring. Pour the batter through slotted spoon over the pan directly and tap the handle gently so that the batter falls into the pan like tiny little balls. Remove the fried bundis instantly from the pan. Do not fry the bundis for longer time, it should be soft. Secure the bundis from the pan and directly put it to the hot sugar syrup. Every time you put the bundis to the sugar syrup, mix gently and continue the process. In case you have added more water, add little gram powder and blend well. If the batter becomes thicker, add water and bring to a consistency mentioned earlier. Now heat the syrup with bundi in low flame for a minute and switch off the stove. Fry cashew nuts in ghee. And add to bundi. Use the same ghee to fry dry grapes. Switch off the stove. Roughly break the cloves and add this to hot ghee so that it releases the aroma, and then add it to bundi. Add a pinch of green camphor. Add sugar cubes and mix well. At this point, you can serve as bundi once it cools down if you wish to. In order to make laddu, roughly blend 2 tablespoons of bundis in a mixer and add it to the mixture. This will help in making balls without much effort. Mix well and start making balls out of it. Make the balls while the mixture is still hot. This will ease the job of making laddus. While making the balls, you can notice the sugar syrup seeping through your hand and might think that something went wrong. It's common though. It would take up to 1 hour for the laddu to become firm. Now the lip smacking laddus are ready. Hope you enjoyed the preparation. Try making it and share the images with us to the email given in the description box. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll come up with another Diwali special in the next video shortly. Until then, take care and stay safe.